Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum, good evening. Yes dear friends, today again I am going to discuss about the total knitting process of a circle knit machine. Yes dear friends, on my last session I discussed the same, but that time I showed a PPT, I mean a PowerPoint presentation, and through that I discussed how the part of that machine work. But today I'm going to share a very practical video, very real video that I've taken from the knit factory. And dear friends, I believe if you have a look at this new session, you would get total idea about the knitting process and you would be the master of knitting process. Dear friends, please with me have a look of this session till last, and still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe.